ZBCN or KASPA? Which coin is better investment for 2025? The million-dollar question. We're going to talk about it in this video. Sir, make sure to smash the like, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below. What do you think? Which investment is better? Let's dive into the video. We start with KASPA. First of all, sir, when you are investing, okay, whenever you are investing, all right, whatever you buy, you open the big picture chart and you look what happened. Where are you coming from? Okay, what happened in the last 3 years? If you have this price action, out on the chart, all right, you can see KASPA is up from July 2022 all the way to July 2024. It went up 1,000x. Okay, this is 1,000x. All right, this is a huge price, expansion. This is a huge bull market move. And look, if you look at it objectively, it could be, the big price growth of KASPA is already priced in. Okay. Now, remember also to check out the market cap. Okay, where is the market cap here for KASPA? At the moment, KASPA is, around, dropped a lot, 2 billion market cap here, around 2 billion market cap, KASPA. Okay, and it had a huge 1,000x price growth move. Now, also, you gotta see where you are in the stage analysis mindset, okay, where you are in the market cycle of the coin. Okay, this coin KASPA had a bull market, okay, all the way till here. Pretty much it was making higher highs, and it had a bull market for 2 years. All right, 2 years bull market. And now you had in 2024, that was the top. Okay, that was the distribution top, the distribution phase for KASPA. Okay, we told you in August, do not buy KASPA. We told you KASPA is going on a bear market, it's going on a downtrend, and it is now, you can see that was your top, and it's now made a significant lower high here. You can see that was a peak, that was a lower high. We're talking the significant lower highs on the weekly chart. This is for investors, okay, that looking to hold or something for many weeks and months and years. Even so, you want to know where you are. Okay, right now on the weekly picture, you already have 3 weekly lower highs, and you had actually 3 weekly lower lows, kind of. Okay, here. All right. So look, KASPA at the moment is in a downtrend. On a weekly perspective, it's in a downtrend. You can see this is a downtrend. As long as it's below this trend line here, really, as an investor, there is no any sane reason to be involved with it. Okay, you want to be involved in a coin when it's in a bull market. Okay, let's say here, if you bought it somewhere around here or here, it's in a bull market. It's making higher lows and higher highs. Now, if you're investing in KASPA for 2025, you're taking a huge risk. You're actually literally gambling all your money. You're gambling all your money. Now let's look on ZBCN. All right. By the way, this is not a financial advice. Anything we say is not a financial advice. Just my thoughts on the current market situation and the price chart. All right. Let's look on ZBCN. All right. This is ZBCN chart. Okay. This is a weekly chart here. The same time frame, just like we looked on KASPA. Okay. You can see this is the entire price action for ZBCN. It was kind of born here in April 2024, right? Then it went sideways. This is the accumulation. You see the difference? Accumulation, man. This is where investors buy. The big investors are buying in the accumulation, but the smart investors are buying on the breakout of the accumulation range, okay? Then it's broke out here. That was the trigger for a swing trade, hodl position, investment trade, whatever you want to call it. That was the signal to enter the ZBCN investment trade. Okay. Now it just signaled. Okay. You just signaled a couple of weeks ago. Okay. Couple of weeks ago. It just broke out of the accumulation base All right, that's what I'm saying, man. When you are investing, you want to look objectively on the chart. Stop listening to the clowns on X, man, to the 18-year-old girls or the boys out there, man, calling you that KASPA is going to $7, that KASPA is in accumulation, when it's not. It is not, man. Face it, man. Face the reality. It's okay. Everybody make mistakes. Everybody being fooled by the market or by clowns on the social media. Everybody are doing this mistake at first. It's okay. But if you look on this question, KASPA or ZBCN, absolutely ZBCN. ZBCN will melt the KASPA face completely, in my opinion, this year. Completely. And also another reason why is the market cap. Okay, the market cap of ZBCN is now at 300 million. Okay, KASPA is at 2 billion, coming back of its all-time highs, pulling back in a downtrend. ZBCN is only on 200 million, just coming out of its accumulation base, going now into a bull market. Again, look, this is not a financial advice. We're not telling you to buy anything now, nothing, okay? But if you do invest in ZBCN, as long as ZBCN price is above this accumulation box on a weekly basis, not closing below it, it's okay. We don't need to change our thesis, our plan, okay? If it violates this area, come back down into the accumulation box, that's a red flag, better get out, all right? As long as it's holding above it, as long as it's making higher lows and higher highs, ZBCN is by far a superior investment for 2025. That's what we believe. Guys, smash the like, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below. What's your thoughts about this topic? And make sure you get yourself a Bitunix account with the link below, with my link. This is the best exchange if you trade from the US. Okay, you have a tutorial. It's the best future exchange. You don't need VPN. You don't need KYC. From Canada, from the US, from Australia, UK, doesn't matter. Get yourself an account there. You have amazing sign-up bonuses here with this link. Then check it out. The best crypto exchange, new one for sure, by far this cycle. Get yourself an exchange. And also let me show you a trade we took, the ZBCN trade, the breakout trade we took in the community. Where was it? That was the breakout trade we took in the VIP. All right, buying some now. This trade was shared at 19th of May in the VIP. Look at that. We bought some at 19 and we triple size at 217. Okay, that was our entries here. Look at that, man. We nailed the breakout of the accumulation. 19 right here. Right here we bought it. Right here 197 around here. And then we had another one. Why it's not working? There it is. And then we had another one on the breakout here of 2-1. All right. Man, 2 entries in 8 days. This thing went up 250% from our first entry and another 200% from our second entry. It pays to know market cycle. It pays to know how to spot the big market leaders. It pays to know when to enter a trade, when to take profits, and which coins to trade, which coins to long, and which coin to short. Sir, we are inviting you. Sir, we are inviting you to join our membership with this link below above here, or with that one. This is our VIP. Join our VIP to get all our market updates, all our trade alerts. Crypto bull run is on. Don't waste time holding rubbish coins in a downtrend. It doesn't matter if it's a KASPA or Solana or all these fluffy coins. That doesn't matter, man. They are all bunch of crypto. They are all just a trade. Treat them just as a trade. Sometimes they're ready and hot and they're gonna print for you. Sometimes they're just not ready and they're gonna keep going down. It doesn't matter what CG is saying or the baby girl from the toilet is screaming. It doesn't matter. They don't give an F. These coins don't give an F about people opinions or influencers' opinions. These coins, once they go on a bear trend, they're gonna stay in a bear trend till they are not. You wanna be professional, you wanna buy them when they turn bullish. You don't wanna buy them when they're going bearish, because, man, if you've been holding KASPA since, November 2024, 2023, sorry, you're cooked. You made no money. You lost a lot of money on this nonsense, and you lost a lot of opportunities because many coins went 10x, 100x's since November 2023. Right? So you need to know what you're doing. Join our VIP if you're tired of missing out of opportunities and getting wrecked in crypto. And also, sir, if you trade with more than 100K account and you're sick of all these baby boys out there that telling you, oh, this coin, and you're sick of buying rubbish coins and losing big money, stop with this nonsense. Sign up for the Elite VIP. Book a call with me, okay? Me and Jomo, we're going to guide you. We're going to teach you everything we know. We're going to coach you to become a crypto trader and investor that really is going to put you ahead of 99% of the people. We're going to show you strategies to trade this market safely, because if you deal with 6-figure, 7-figure, 8-figure account, you cannot trade the rubbish coins of the moon boys like they do, because you're going to move the market and you're going to take out massive losses on a very dumb decisions. Okay, so you need to treat crypto differently, professionally. That's why we offer this tier. If you're trading with serious money, join the Elite VIP. Thank you guys for watching. You have a wonderful day. Cheers.